Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you, back with another Edabit problem. This one's called Is the String Empty? So it says create a function that returns true if a string is empty and false otherwise. As you can see from the example, this is empty, so it's true. This is not empty. Like it says, a string containing only white spaces does not count as empty. So it's false because it's not empty. Even white space, if there's white spaces, it's not empty. So, and then the other example, there's A, so obviously it's not empty, so return false. And again, the resources tab has great info. I've done a similar problem before, just to understand what using empty. Um, I think it was on an array, but this is a string. We're working with a string. But it's gonna be working. It's gonna work the same. So let's go to the code tab. As you can see, it's a bool function, so we're gonna return true or false. And inside the function, the argument is a string, and this is str, short for string. You can name it anything you want, but just right here, that's the name of the string. So if the string str is empty, we are going to return true, and else we are going to return false. Now let's see if it passes the test. As you can see, it passed all the tests. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.